Hey, look, somebody threw a ding-a-ling out on the field, a goddamn dildo.
Yo, that's a dildo.
Yo. Yo, that shit is a dildo, kid.
No doubt in my mind.
Let's zoom in on that thing. Yo.
He just kicked it down.
Dildo
Yo.
got balls on it?
Yeah, it's got balls on it.
It's got balls.
Oh, LeGarrette Blunt just got a touchdown. Yes.
Good, because there was a dick on the field.
Dick.
Yo.
That is a dick, kid.